Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to use OTG adapter or OTG pen drive in Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you have only pen drive, you need to purchase this OTG adapter. So I will give the link in the description if you want to buy, or you can buy it in the local stores also. First of all, we need to insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter. Then only we need to insert this setup into the phone. So wait few seconds. Now the SanDisk USB drive appeared here. You need to click explore. So these files is available in USB pen drive. If you want to copy some files from the USB option, you need to select the file, then click copy. Then you can copy it into the internal storage and click paste. Now the copied files available in the internal storage. Also you can copy the files from the internal storage to the OTG pen drive also. So after you finishing, you need to click the eject from here. After only you need to pull out the pen drive. You need to click eject. Wait few seconds. Now you can remove the OTG. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.